Hello everyone, welcome to UN Family. This video is about amazing sea animals and fish. This first one is whale shark. Next is zebra moray eel. The scientific name of this is Gymnomorina zebra. Next is the sand prawn. Now this is Caribbean reef octopus. This small fish is fire dartfish or red fire goby. This is tiger snake eel or Myrichthyes maculosus. Now this is black mussel cracker and the scientific name is Cymatoceps nasutus. This is red lionfish and the scientific name is Pterois volitans. This is semicircle angelfish and the name is Pomacanthus semicirculatus. Now this is white margin unicorn fish. Now this is nurse shark and the scientific name is Gingillimostoma serratum. This is red stingray and the scientific name is Hemitrigon ekaji. This is Pentaceraster sea star. Next is bottlenose dolphin and the scientific name is Tursiops truncatus. This is white spotted buffer and the scientific name is Erathron hispidus. This is manatees and it is also known as sea cow. Now this is blue spotted ribbon tail stingray. This is white spotted buffer. Next is nurse shark and the scientific name is Gingillimostoma serratum. This is Bengai cardinal fish. Now this is Clark's anemone fish and the scientific name is Amphiprion clarki. This is Hawksby sea turtle and the scientific name is Erythmochilis imbricata. Now these are Pacific sea nettles and the scientific name is Crioseura fuscescens. Now this is Atlantic spadefish or Chidodipterus faber. These are Sargo or white sea bream. This is black spotted puffer or Erathron nigropunctatus. This is fox face rabbitfish and the scientific name is Sicanus vulpinus. This is red lionfish. Next is clownfish or Amphiprionidae. Now these are sandbar shark and the scientific name is Carcharodonus plumbeus. These tiny fish are stripy and the scientific name is Microcanthus striatus. This is ram cichlid and the scientific name is Microgeopagus ramirezi. These are Orenda goldfish. Red-back Amapa angelfish or Pterophyllum sclare. These are sockeye salmon or Oncorhynchus narca. Now this tiny fish is blue rainbow fish or Melanotaenia. This is angelfish or Pterophyllum sclare. Now these are koi fish or Cyprinus rufofuscus. This is goldfish or Carassius auratus auratus. This is Barbodes semifasciolatus gold barb. Next is Caridian shrimp. This is Hippocampus or seahorse. These are Sarpa salpa or dreamfish. These are Melentia Pirsonotus cichlid. These are Branchidanio rerio, that is zebra danio. These are Harlequin sweet lips fish. Now these are Clark's anemone fish. These are Orenda goldfish. This is Bricon insignis or teat tetra. Now this beautiful fish is spot fin porcupine fish. Next is pennant. Now these are Acanthurus japonicus or Japan surgeon fish. Now this is Cuticaria tigrina or tiger moray eel. These are Calarius grypinus or African sharp-toothed catfish. These are common carp fish. Fan-tail goldfish. And these are lobsters. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.